Hello, and welcome to Townepark Mystery Shop School. As part of Townepark's performance-based culture, we are all individually and collectively accountable for success. The fun video you are about to watch illustrates flawless execution of our service standards as they are measured by the mystery shopping program. You'll notice the point values pop up on the screen as Rodney delivers on each of the service standards. Take a look.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Townepark Resort. My name is Rodney, and I would be happy to take care of you and your vehicle today. To what do we owe the pleasure of your visit? Are you checking in?
We're just visiting some friends.
Well, we are happy to have you here. May I have the keys, please?
Yes.
Wow! That is a lovely blouse you're wearing.
Thank you.
May I have a last name, please?
Botero?
Botero. Thank you, Miss Botero. Like I said, my name is Rodney. I'm going to do a quick scan of the vehicle so we can make sure we get your vehicle back to you in the same fashion we receive it, okay? Thank you. Miss Botero, valet is going to be $30 plus tax. Whenever you're ready for your vehicle, show your ticket at the valet window there and they will have your vehicle up in less than 5 minutes. Can I offer you any assistance or directions inside?
Where's the lock?
Right this way. Go down to the second set of double doors, make a right, the lobby is going to be right inside.
Amazing service.
Mr. and Mrs. Botero, are you ready for your vehicle?
Yeah, absolutely.
May I have your claim check?
Sure.
Wow! That is a great watch you're wearing.
Thank you.
I'd be happy to have your vehicle up in less than 5 minutes.
Whoa!
Where did he go?
Whoa, that was super quick.
Miss Botero, thank you for using the valet service. Can I offer you any directions outside of our property today?
No, we're okay, thank you.
Well, thank you very much. Once again, my name is Rodney. Please come back and see us again soon. Thank you.
Well, there you have it. And don't forget the smile. Remember, it's not just about scoring a perfect mystery shop, it's about delivering consistent service excellence every day, everywhere, and by everyone.